What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications. Today's video, we're gonna go to a car meet, but it's basically not just a car meet. Apparently somebody well known is throwing it. We're gonna go and get some content for you guys. Guys, my car's been acting up for some reason. Every time like I hold the key, the lock, and it just starts beeping out of nowhere. But I have good news. We are actually gonna get the hood fixed and the headlight. The dealership told me that they're gonna pay for it, so I don't really have to pay much for it. But I mean, we have the car looking clean. We're just gonna pump some gas and head to the meet. See you guys when we're there. It's so dark here that I cannot see where I park, guys. Literally, it's dark as hell here. Man, no way, guys. We just got here and already cops are here. I'm not gonna lie, the cars over here are ridiculous. Guys, Kiani literally looked like a professional vlogger now. Show the camera, bro. Jesus. TR. Guys, the cars are here are just so nice, but there's a cop over there, this one over there. I don't think this meet is gonna last long, honestly. Look at GTR though. It was following me on the way here. Cop is coming in that way. There's a cop over there. I guess that's it. Guys, look at that McLaren right there. Oh. Oh, he's following up. He's running. There's no way he's running. Damn. He's running. Oh, they got him. No way, bro. Oh, he turned off the lights. That is, oh, that's crazy. That guy literally ran from the cop. That's insane.
Oh, this is like the spot to sit.
Yep.
Those cops aren't getting on this side and we're good.
We got the, what is that, kitty or snapback? We got the Tesla on the wheels.
Had to bring the preset.
Guys, look at this thing. Oh my. Apparently he's saying it's a $2 million car. And we got the GTR in the back. That thing is crazy. That thing is just chopping, man.
Oh, the exhaust tips killed it. Oh, it's burning. This would have been a good spot, though. Oh, clear.
I know, I saw this. This is probably like a purple one.
I can't believe it died.
Dude, did you have to put your brightness up?
Oh, man. It's dark. I know, guys. I'm sorry.
Guys, it's gonna be a dark video, but there's literally a McLaren over here. This is looking mint. We got the no quema cut again. Guys, you have the Eco Snake again. Something's chopping, bro. Dang, I think that thing's just chopping. SS. Guys, I apologize in advance, but this video is gonna be so dark. There's literally no lighting here. Try to get the best. All the good cars are over there, but it's just hella packed. I'm not trying to get hit. Bro got the underglow going on. Alright. That's pretty cool though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not much a fan of underglows, but it's solid. Guys, I'm gonna go live on TikTok. Crazy, I didn't even get to like do much. Guys, literally the cops are all the way over there. We ended up coming to a different spot. Actually, we're still at the same parking lot, but we just parked away. I don't know if you guys could hear the cops. Kiani with the GT350.
Hey,
We got a Shelby over there, guys. GT500. Guys, look at that. I seen that Mustang on Instagram. Bro, this was a disappointment. Oh. You guys hear that?
yeah, that was a McLaren.
Guys, look at all these tow trucks coming in. We got one right there. We got one right there with a car over there already.
Yeah,
there's one over there.
I think honestly, I'm gonna go over to that gas station right now.
That's crazy.
I don't even waiting. That's not over here.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
I thought they were gonna tow you right now, dude. I know.
But look, guys, just like that, we make new friends, literally.
Nah, they'll go back over there.
Yeah, he is. Bro, you just met the guy and you're talking shit about him?
I'm not. Hey.
Nah, man.
Relax.
I'm telling you, is that snake snaking you? He's gonna do it again. 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 Oh. The Porsche.
Is that a Macaw? What kind of Porsche?
That's a McLaren. Look.
Dude, this is all a DD right here. Bro, they're having a rave over there. Oh.
We got a car. Imagine he does a U-turn, guys. Oh my god. Bro, we're not even parked correctly.
So it's a parking lot. You don't have to be.
It's a parking lot. You could just not park correctly.
You don't have to be. You ever see people get tickets for like parking kind of over the line a little bit?
Bro,
like,
we were at Wingstop and
this is true. See, Wingstop cops.
yeah, bro, we can't go to a Carmeet anymore that's next to a Wingstop.
It happens every time.
It's literally
like,
a curse.
And go together like.
Oh, guys, look.
Cops.
What is that? Is that a Supra?
No, dude.
It is a Supra, bro. I know my Supras. See, it's a sign to get a Supra, guys. I've been wanting to get a Wingstop. A Wingstop. I read the. I've been wanting to get a Supra.
That's an RCF, I think.
Jeez, look at that thing.
I told you.
Oh, look at that thing. Okay, you could be in the video too. You could be in the video too.
Oh, I thought that was
Kiani actually coming through. He came with the party bus.
got us a party bus.
Give us a tour inside the party bus, bro. Let's go in the front for like.
Let's knock on the door and be like, yo.
Can we get a tour?
Can we check it out?
Imagine. Nah.
Literally, we're hanging.
That's crazy. Look.
Right now, so shit's going on. And we have like people showing up.
That's crazy, guys. Hold on, I gotta tell the story. So basically, guys, we were parked and the bus driver comes and starts, you know, wanting to know the cheese, man. We're just telling him what happened, and he was just telling us that. Oh God, I'm not gonna lie, dude. That thing's getting crazy. Cause you guys see that?
Oh, that shit was crazy, dude.
Nah, dude, it got worse. Look.
Is it worse?
Yeah, bro. Oh no way. Cops. There's no way. We need to leave. The coppers right behind us. We're leaving already?
I guess we can't hang out.
Bro really did the dash on us. Look at him. Where is he going, bro? Where is he going? Where is he going? He saw the snake. He saw the snake and he got scared. Alright guys, so we ended up finding a parking lot and we're basically gonna go live again. Dude, there was like 100 something people watching the live, so they wanted us to go over there, but we ended up just going to the gas station and there's already cars everywhere.
Sick picture of
so
calf, dude.
We'll see what's up. We got a Shelby over there. Well, it's not a Shelby, it's actually a 5.0, but it got the GT500 front end. Hopefully that one guy that was watching the live gets back on it. We got the Mamalona over here. Sheesh. That color is nice. Look here with the red inside. Not bad. What is it? SS? Not bad. I swear, guys, gas stations have like the best lighting, in my opinion. Guys, Kiani always gets all the attention with the car. I swear. I might have to get a Shelby. R1? I don't really see much. There's a Challenger, a Beamer over there. We got the cops are maybe gonna kick us out right now. I don't know.
Kind of a cool little hangar.
Dang, that thing is hella low. We got the chopper.
Good enough for me for right now.
And some bright ass lights. I thought it was a cop. You guys smell that? Oh. Minivan.
Help me!
He said, my bad.
It's a family event.
That's crazy. It's like a random S2K over there. Yellow. So lately, you know, you're obviously a little faster than me, you know. So I had to like put a dent on my car for like, you know. Okay. I actually did some weight reduction myself. You ready?
Okay.
You know, I'm actually like 5 horsepower faster now. I don't know, bro.
Something's wrong with your car, bro.
So like, you ready? You ready?
I see the alarm going off.
So like, I took like 2 pounds off the car, bro. You ready?
Yep.
You ready?
What'd you do? Oh, I seen that, dude. You want to move to a better spot? Look at me, bro. What happened to my knee?
It's right here, man. Look how.
Was it dragging?
Yeah, it was. I swear, this is why I want to get rid of it, guys. Just things falling apart already.
This E30 goes.
Look.
Look at this. That thing is badass.
This thing is badass. Guys, so I'm gonna try to make it like, I'm not trying to make it obvious, but look, guys, so basically we're at the gas station, right? And like over there, as you guys can see, these guys are just casually smoking next to the gas pump.
I don't either. Is that a 2000 cc? No power steering. Bro, if he dumps the clutch and launches into my car, I'm gonna cry. I'll literally cry right here for everybody.
I'm gonna just wrap it up right here. I have a 30-minute drive. This video was all over the place, but hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those things. Till next time. It takes forever.